Hi everyone, this is Max from Diabler Websites, and today I got this issue. Product page add to cart make it same length. So, hello, how can I make like this? Add to cart need to cover the perfect length. So, should be like this and currently like this. As the talk is about perfect length, so I think a person wants to make it a perfect length. Here is the website, and you can see this one is short and this one is longer. So the solution here will be to make it same length, like person wants. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, click like, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave the donations with donation link in this video. Thank you. If you have some questions or have some issues with website, feel free to ask me by email ask me for help by email or by comments under this video. Okay, so let's inspect the code and find the solution. Probably it has different height or different width with CSS. So we see this one and it definitely has some width, max width 75%. So let's now inspect the form. Okay, here is button, Shopify payment button, and we need more command for both. Okay, like this. Product form buttons. Okay, we see max width 60 RAM. So let's add our own, same like it was there, max width 75%. So right now they have to width. You should add CSS in the custom CSS on your website, and custom this CSS code will be below the video. So let's check the responsive and see how it works for responsive. Okay, so for responsive it doesn't work, so we need to find the breakpoint and fix it. Okay, so right here it's not working too. It works until let's find. Still good. Okay, here 90 92. Sorry, 90. Okay, 90 26. 926. So max width, media on with screen and max width. So right now I write specifically for the responsive CSS, so for screens which are smaller than this one. So let's check what's the issue comes. Okay, so this one is big and this one is smaller. So this button should go to the bottom, I think so. Actually, I'm sure, because it doesn't fit good. So product form submit should be display block. No, doesn't work. Okay, so let's try another solution like this, max width and display block. Still not working. Okay, there should be input, okay, form, and there should be another. Okay, so let's make it with 100% actually. Here is our product form submit, and let's make it with 100%. Yeah, so 100%, and it's almost good, almost what we wanted. Margin top, margin left. Okay, with calculation display flex. So let's try display block. It doesn't work because of what? It definitely there is some another display flex right here. Yeah. So let's make it display flex size flex 100% 0 0 0 like this. No, flex wrap important. No. Okay, flex wrap still no. Okay, maybe float none. Okay, so clear boss. No, doesn't work right now. I just debug the button why it comes like this and not like I want. So there is display flags, but it's actually not the case for us. So let's find our quantity element and find what's going on there. Actually, here is quantity, price quantity, and here is quantity form. Okay. And okay, so product quantity form looks not good. Mean with fin content, max with. Let's try display block here with 100%. Okay, again doesn't work. So what is going on there? Who created it? I don't know. No, like maybe I am dumb. Okay, max with border flex 0 0 100% and it doesn't work. Product form. Actually, I have another idea. So let's check where is it. It's here. So it's have margin left. So let's make margin left 0, margin 0. Nice. I think nice. But margin top, let's make 15 pixels. Still big. Just let's make it like this. It's anyway had minus pixels. And so we need to remove this. Okay, so let's add our code right here. And let's chill. Now we should make this one full width for this responsive. So because we can't leave it like this, so quantity should be with 100%. Sorry, with 75%. I forgot 75%. So small issue can come into something like this, which is more complex, and you need to find solution for the all screen sizes. So let's make it smaller, still good, and there is breakpoint right here. Okay, it has breakpoint right here, and it should be with 100% on the 7. Let's find the right breakpoint. Okay, 749, 750. Okay, another code, media on with screen and max width 750 pixels. And right now it should be okay, smaller. Right now it should be full width because it should be full width. So let's add it back, and this one. Okay, I'll explain what I'm doing. Right now I just copy CSS because we need to adjust it. So right now we need this one to make 100%. So back to 100%, product form buttons 100%. So where is it? Product form. Let's just add it with 100% and add class and write important because I probably wrote it in wrong way. Okay, it doesn't work. Okay, so let's find what is going on inside again. Product form buttons, here it is, and with 100%, but it should be max width, right? Max width 100%. Okay, max width 100% important, and quantity should be same with 100% important. So let's go to our quantity, and it should be like this. Where is it? Quantity. Here it is, with 100%. Okay. So let's add it right here, and let's write important too. Okay, so on mobile it will be like this, where it fits perfectly as you want it, and on smaller screens it will be good too. Not like this, because it will be like this, and on bigger screens it will be as it was on beginning, because I work on the front end, on the inspect inspection tool, I can't save the code, so it can't work fully. But for you, please use the code and it will be okay. If not, let me know and I'll adjust the code for you. Okay, so you can find this code in the link under description. In description under this video, please use it, copy it and paste it in the area you need for custom CSS on your website. And thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to donate, and bye bye.